In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for customer support, fast and easy. If you've been searching for a streamlined way to manage customer support tickets, Monday.com is a fantastic platform to get you organized and efficient. Whether you're new to it or looking to refine your existing setup, this guide will walk you through the essentials. Let's kick things off by creating a board dedicated to your tickets or issues. In Monday.com, think of boards like your workspace, where all tasks, or, in our case, support tickets are managed. Start by going to your Monday.com dashboard and selecting the option to create a new board. Choose an appropriate layout that suits your team's workflow. A typical board for customer support might include columns for ticket descriptions, the customer's name, urgency status, and resolution deadline. Customizing your board in this way will make it easy for your team to view everything at a glance, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now that you've got your board set up, it's time to assign owners to each ticket. This step is crucial because it fosters accountability and ensures that someone is always in charge of driving a ticket toward resolution. You can assign owners by simply using the Assign column feature on your board. It's essential to match the ticket with the right team member based on expertise or workload. Not only does this optimize problem solving, but it also builds a sense of responsibility among your team, minimizing delays. As tickets are handled, tracking their statuses until they're resolved is vital. Monday.com makes this easy, with status columns where you can mark each ticket as open, in progress, or resolved. You might also want to customize these statuses to better fit your workflow, perhaps adding stages like awaiting customer reply or under review. This step is pivotal in maintaining an overview of your support activities, providing transparency to your team about who is working on what, and ensuring no ticket is left unattended. Lastly, let's talk about dashboards. Dashboards in Monday.com are powerful tools that help you visualize and monitor your team's performance, especially when it comes to response times. Setting up a dashboard allows you to aggregate data from your boards and create widgets that display key metrics, such as average response time, tickets resolved today, and overdue tickets. This not only gives you a clear picture of your team's efficiency, but also helps in identifying areas that need improvement. Dashboards can also motivate your team by setting visible goals and tracking progress. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to harnessing Monday.com for your customer support needs. By creating an organized board, assigning tickets wisely, continuously tracking progress, and leveraging insightful dashboards, you'll ensure an efficient and responsive support team. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing!